Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. I got a really cool 2011 Street Bob that I want to show you. This Harley Davidson Street Bob comes with a 96-inch motor, 6-speed transmission. This one's got some really cool real fire custom paint on it. Nice lettering there on the tank as well. Blacked out motor, got the 6-speed transmission. This bike's got mid-mount controls on it, but it's easy enough if you wanted to put forward mount controls on it. There's Harley Davidson puts a threaded block right there. You can easily upgrade to a forward mount control if you wanted to stretch out a little bit. Paint on the bike looks great. It's got really good tires on it. Some nice powder coating there on the rims. It's got like a mini ape handlebar on it. It's just a Street Bob is like Harley's version of a bobber. It's got the bobbed off fender, bobber tail light. It's got upgraded slip-on mufflers, gives it a real nice sound. Blacked out engine. Side covers are all black powder coated belt guard there. Set up as a solo. Doesn't have any passenger pegs on it, but again, you can put those on here. There's a place here you can mount and put some passenger pegs if you wanted to ride two up. It's got a little scuff here on that belt guard, and it's got the place here if you wanted to put a buddy seat on there. We'll need to put some bolts in there for you. It's in really nice condition. Let's fire it off and let you give it a listen. Bike's got 16,724 miles on it. It is a fuel injected bike. Runs really nice. Street Bob's fun to ride too. If you'd like to know more about this bike, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. You can go online and see our complete inventory of good, clean, used motorcycles at cleanharleys.com. This bike's been through our shop, service, and safety checked and inspected, and it's ready to hit the road. It's a 2011, so it qualifies for some really good financing, our test ride lease program, and some good extended warranty options as well. Take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'll be easy to get this Street Bob to you. Custom paint really looks good on it. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.